we're going to have to fast forward some of this and turn the volume down.
You guys got all the toys, eh?
This is not helping our play.
You know, it's not. I'm like, when I walk in, I'm like, oh, then maybe we're into some art. And I'm like, oh, okay, art. No. Yeah, I'm hoping to be down here. Hopefully in the next 10 minutes or so. So I got this is 30 feet right here. So usually in places like this, we just started coming into this area, but usually the houses, if nobody else is really complaining, then it should be usually within 75 feet.
They did 150 feet last time.
Really?
This is like over 35 floods up there.
Well, she was saying that it's quite a bit, eh?
Yeah. Just so you said you're a new contractor? Or?
A new contractor to this area.
Yeah.
Like we dealt with Capri, but it's weird. They got areas, right? And so they just started bringing us into this area. So,
okay.
Yeah.
So basically, just to give you a lowdown, and this is from the other plumbers.
Yeah, for sure.
The main sewer drains, or wherever it goes, there was tree branches growing in there.
Tree roots, yeah. Okay.
Computers been on about this for 3 years.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. Okay, so you know.
Yeah.
Also, and this, I'm getting the information from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
plumber, is the main sewers need to be flushed, like at least once a year.
Yeah,
Probably
ideally.
twice a year.
Yep.
Because once a year doesn't do it, and I know that hasn't been done in 2 years.
Yeah, there you go.
And this is, they won't fix the main issue. Like,
It's because it's not happening to them.
I know.
Right?
I know.
And
I've
it's like-
asked
I
many
say it
times.
all the time, and it's like, if it was happening to them, right, in their house or their condo or wherever they live,
Oh, fuck yeah.
right, we'd be there instantly.
Yeah.
Hey, we got to get this done. You guys got to look after this.
Yeah.
I know this because our guys have literally been sent way up to like Uxbridge and way up north to Kawarthas, where all their cottages are, right?
Yeah.
It's like, you got to go now. We got an issue there now.
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
you
And,
get it, just like, but it's, so let's,
You might be here a while.
that's the, yeah, you're not.
These-
So looks like he's gonna have to get some more cables for this. He's already put in 75.
Alright, got another 75 feet. So the water is subsiding. We're going to put the other cable in and then see what we pull out. 150 feet. Right there. Let's pull it out, see what we got.
Wow, 150 feet for one basin. That's crazy. Definitely gonna have to inspect these drains with the video camera at some point. See where they go.